Today I'll walk you through how to add headers in MailerLite so you can create professional looking emails and landing pages that grab attention right from the top. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by logging into your MailerLite account using your email and password. Once you're in, you'll want to open the editor by clicking on either an existing email campaign or a landing page you're working on, or you can create a new one from scratch. This is where all the design magic happens. Next, you'll need to access the content blocks. These are the building blocks on the left side of the editor that let you add everything from text to images. Look for the section labeled content or blocks, and you'll see a list of options. Now, to actually add a header, drag a header block or a simple text block to the very top of your layout. Position it above any other content so it acts as the main title of your page or email. Then click into that block and type your main heading. Keep it clear and scannable. This is the first thing your audience will see. After that, it's time to adjust the font size. You'll find the font size option in the toolbar that pops up when the block is selected. Bump it up significantly so the text is bold and easy to read at a glance. Next, select a font style that matches your brand's identity. MailerLite offers several web-safe fonts, so pick one that feels consistent with your logo or overall style. From there, align the header using the alignment buttons, left, center, or right. Center alignment works great for landing pages, while left alignment is more common for email headers. You can also change the header color by clicking on the text color icon in the toolbar. Choose a color that contrasts well with your background for maximum readability. If you want to add a subtitle, that's your next move. Simply add another text block just below the header and type a supporting line in a slightly smaller size. This adds depth and context. Now review the spacing around your header. Adjust the margins and padding in the block settings to give the text some breathing room. Too tight and it looks cramped. Too loose and it feels disconnected. Before you finalize anything, preview the layout using the preview button. Check how the header appears on both desktop and mobile views. MailerLite lets you toggle between them. Make sure everything scales properly. When you're happy, click Save to lock in your changes. Finally, publish your landing page or send your email. And that's it. Your MailerLite design now includes a clear and professional header. Thanks for watching and happy designing.